Hi everyone, and welcome. Today we're going to walk through 3 distinct outdoor furniture set collections from Oak Street Manufacturing. Each collection is designed as a coordinated system, meaning matching tables and seating, but each one serves a slightly different aesthetic and operational need. Those 3 collections are Boardwalk Series, Diamondback Series, and Teak Series outdoor furniture. As we move through each one, we'll cover construction, ideal applications, key selling points, and how to position them competitively. Let's start with Boardwalk. The Boardwalk Series is a commercial-grade outdoor dining collection built for hospitality environments that require steel durability, stackable seating, and layout flexibility. This collection is ideal for restaurants, patios, breweries, rooftop dining, and commercial outdoor seating, but not oceanside or poolside environments. Boardwalk delivers commercial durability with streamlined styling at a practical price point. Boardwalk seating features 3-inch planks on the seat and back, supported by a 1.2 mm pressed steel tubular frame. That pressed tubular construction is important. It increases rigidity while keeping the weight manageable. Both the chair and bar stool are stackable. From an operational standpoint, that matters for nightly floor resets, seasonal storage, and event flexibility. The chair weighs 16 pounds and the bar stool weighs 20 pounds. Both ship fully assembled, so they're ready to place on the floor immediately. Similar to the seating, Boardwalk tables are constructed with durable metal planks that deliver both strength and a cohesive design aesthetic. The base is fabricated from solid steel, not hollow tubular components. This solid core design enhances structural integrity, weight distribution, and long-term durability in demanding commercial environments. That provides increased wind stability, reduced tipping risk, and greater durability under heavy commercial use. This is a critical differentiation point when comparing to competing lightweight imports. Boardwalk tables come in both standard and bar height. That allows operators to mix traditional dining layouts, bar height social zones, and mixed height patios. Rectangular and round options are available across multiple footprints, including 24 by 30, 30 by 30, 30 by 48, 36 by 36, 30 round, and 36-inch rounds. All tops include a reinforced 2-inch umbrella hole. That reinforcement matters because it reduces stress and supports commercial umbrella use. Tables ship knockdown for freight efficiency, while seating ships assembled. How to sell Boardwalk? Position it as durable, stackable, commercial grade, layout flexible, and freight efficient. It competes very well against lightweight imported patio sets and non-stackable outdoor seating. Its strength, structural integrity, and hospitality-focused engineering set it apart from the competition. Now let's move to Diamondback. The Diamondback Series is a commercial outdoor steel collection designed for restaurants and hospitality environments that want durability with a distinctive visual identity. What defines this collection is the diamond pattern punched steel mesh. That pattern appears on tabletops, chair seats and backs, as well as bar stool seats and backs. It provides drainage during rain, reduces surface heat retention, and reinforces the structure, while giving the collection a strong visual presence. Diamondback features a commercial-grade exterior powder coat. This protects against rain, UV exposure, temperature changes, and general wear. However, and this is important, it is not suitable for oceanside or poolside applications. The chair and bar stool uses pressed steel tubular construction for lightweight durability. The chair weighs 14 pounds and is stackable. The bar stool weighs 17 pounds but is not stackable. Diamondback tables come in the same standard sizes as Boardwalk. Also, just like Boardwalk, the table bases are solid steel, not tubular. That solid steel base increases stability and reduces tipping in windy environments. Bar height tables can weigh up to 91 pounds, which is a major stability advantage. Sell Diamondback as a durable commercial patio solution, a visually distinctive steel mesh collection, and a stable alternative to lightweight tubular-only systems. It's a strong mid-tier outdoor steel furniture set with cohesive styling. Now let's move into a warmer aesthetic option: teak outdoor tables and chairs. This series is designed for operators who want the look of natural teak without the maintenance challenges of real wood. This collection combines synthetic teak planks, powder-coated steel frames, and commercial-grade construction. It's ideal for patios, rooftops, breweries, hotels, and outdoor cafes, again excluding oceanside and poolside applications. So, why synthetic teak? Natural teak requires maintenance. It weathers unevenly and it can crack or split. Synthetic teak offers consistent color, moisture resistance, reduced maintenance, and commercial longevity. It's currently available with gray slats, with a new brown coming soon. The steel frame features a silver exterior powder coat. The E-coat protection improves corrosion resistance and overall lifespan. The tables also feature a one-piece upper steel frame that improves rigidity, reduces flexing, and enhances perceived quality. Chairs ship assembled and include non-marring nylon glides. Tables shipped knockdown for freight efficiency. Available table sizes include 24 by 30, 30 by 30, 30 by 48, and 36 by 36. This allows for flexible 2-top and 4-top patio configurations. Next, how to position teak. Focus on 3 core messages: warm aesthetic without wood maintenance, commercial-grade frame, and structural rigidity with engineered steel supports. It's the right solution for operators who want hospitality durability with a softer, wood-inspired look. To recap, Boardwalk delivers streamlined steel durability and stackable efficiency. Diamondback delivers visual distinction with steel mesh construction and strong wind stability. Teak delivers warmth and texture with low-maintenance synthetic planks over a protected steel frame. Each collection is purpose-built for hospitality environments. Just be sure to avoid oceanside and poolside applications. If you understand the environment, the operational needs, and the desired aesthetic, selecting the right collection becomes straightforward. Thank you for watching. To learn more about our outdoor furniture set collections and all our quality Oak Street products, resources, and capabilities, go to oakstreetmfg.com and follow us on our socials: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn at Oak Street MFG.